The arguments in front of Judge Fran Gull inside the Carroll County Courthouse this morning over whether to publicly release the probable cause affidavit that led to the arrest of Richard Allen for the murders of Abby and Libby more than 5 years ago would hurt the case and investigation against him or against any other unnamed suspects in the unsolved killings. The headline came as prosecutor Nicholas McClellan revealed that, quote, Richard Allen is not the only person involved in the killings of Abby and Libby. Allen's attorneys have read the probable cause and want the rest of us to see it too.
Transparency is important in government. It may be weird for defense lawyers, I suppose, to be arguing that we want things unsealed. But that's how confident we are in our client. That's how confident we are that the evidence contained in at least what's written in the probable cause affidavit is nothing for us to worry about.
A public access attorney says it's not only the community that deserves a look at the evidence, Richard Allen does too.
Richard Allen deserves an open trial. Whether the allegations against him are true or not remains to be seen, but the public needs to understand those allegations.
McClellan also went after the media, blaming it for what he called the, quote, chaos surrounding the case by intimidating witnesses, a charge a public access lawyer denied.
I take umbrage at the idea that the media is only after sound bites. The media is the surrogate to the public in its effort to ensure the legitimacy of criminal trials. So if the media is trying to talk to witnesses and figure out what's going on, the media is just doing its job.
After the hearing, the prosecutor filed a motion seeking a gag order to keep anyone involved in this case from speaking publicly about the case or the investigation. The defense argues that that type of secrecy is what is eroding public confidence in this entire investigation. In Delphi, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.
Russ, thank you.